Hi, I'm Ben from the Cell Phone Broker in San Jose, California. Today I'm going to show you how to make a conference call on your iPhone. There are two different models of iPhones out right now, or that have been out in the past. There's the iPhone 2G, which has silver stainless steel on the back, and then there's also the iPhone 3G, which has plastic on the back in black or white. They both have the same operating system on the inside, so the directions I'm about to show you would be exactly the same for both devices. First thing I'm going to do on my iPhone is I'm going to hit the phone button, which will take me into the dial pad. If it's not already in the dial pad, then just hit right down here to the fourth menu key, which is the keypad. Then you can dial the phone number that you're trying to reach. Call. Right here, this phone's going to start ringing. I'm going to take that call. And then right over here, look right here, there's 6 different buttons right here on the iPhone. The one right here in the bottom left corner says Add Call. So if you tap that button, Add Call, you can then go either into your contacts list or into your keypad and dial another phone number. So I'm going to dial my store's phone number here. I'm going to hit Call. So I'm going to answer that call. So now this phone is on hold. The first call I placed is on hold. This call is active right now. Then to turn it into a conference call, all you have to do is come right down here into the bottom left side of this these 6 buttons right here on the iPhone. Hit Merge Calls. Yeah, these 3 phones right here are all connected in a conference call.